Open up the FoamDDI box. First, remove the first layer of foam protection. Place to the side. Set aside important warranty and calibration paperwork. Remove the second foam protection. And carefully remove the glassware. This will be used in the next step of installation. And also the connection cables, which we will use in the next. In addition to the foam packing, the unit is secured with a plastic housing. Okay, remove plastic from FoamDDI. Carefully remove the protective bubble wrap and slide connectors outside. Place on the side. So, we insert the sample tube inside. These are used to align your tube to center it inside the inner. The next step is to remove the top bulkhead to allow you to assemble the glassware. You need a number 5 metric Allen key. Carefully loosen the bolts without removing them. There is a total of 4 bolts. Remove the upper bulkhead. Install the glassware by carefully placing it on the bottom first and sliding it forward. Take care when assembling the glassware that the polarizing film edges are met with the edge of the side panels. Install bulkhead from the top down and carefully position into place to ensure that it is secure with the glassware. Resecure your 4 screws while carefully pressing down to make sure proper alignment with the glassware. We want to assemble your sample tube and alignment. These are used to align your tube to center it inside the inner tube. Okay. Next, remove your stopper. Place through the top of the analyzer, like so. Firmly pressing down. Connections are keyed. So we're going to connect our return air supply, and our temperature probe. The next step is the communications and power to the analyzer. FoamDDI requires 3 connections in order to operate. First is a communication cable, which is inserted into the back of the analyzer like so. Is a power connection, which is connected to the analyzer like so, and plugged into mains power. Third and last is going to be your air supply. FoamDDI requires approximately 35 psi of sample of air supply pressure. And it is inserted using a 1/8" OD into this upper connection as so. Place the logic box controller into the docking station, slide down and firmly press down, and then press in the lock to secure. Assemble your power cord. Now we have to connect your communications cable from the back of the FoamDDI to your IPC logic box controller. That is connected to the back here into one of the 4 USB connections. To test communications with your FoamDDI, simply turn on power on the back and power up your IPC logic box. During power up, you will see a series of messages. First step is searching for the modules. This may take a few minutes. Your FoamDDI is now ready for software installation.